Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox filters. These essential tools help maintain a positive and secure online environment for all players. By properly configuring your filter settings, you gain more control over your experience, ensuring interactions align with your preferences. This process helps filter out unwanted content, making your time on the platform much more enjoyable and tailored specifically for you. It's a key step to a better gaming experience. To start, log into your Roblox account as you normally would, whether on a computer or a mobile device. Once logged in, look for the small gear icon, which serves as your gateway to the settings menu. It typically appears near the top right of your display. Clicking this icon will reveal a simple drop-down menu, where you will then choose the option labeled Settings. This action opens a comprehensive page dedicated to all your account preferences and controls. Inside the Settings menu, you need to find the specific section for privacy or, if applicable, parental controls. This area is where all your filtering options reside. You will notice several distinct categories here, including options for chat filtering, which controls who can message you and what words are allowed, and experience restrictions, which manage the types of games you can access. Each category is designed to help you manage different facets of your interactions on the platform. Now, let's personalize your filters. For chat, you can select from different strictness levels, ensuring conversations meet your comfort zone, from a more open approach to a very tight restriction. You also have the power to decide who can contact you directly, whether through messages or friend requests, and control who can join your private game servers. Furthermore, you can set age-appropriate limits for game access, for example, allowing only experiences rated for ages 9 and under, giving peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.